Alright, so hello guys. I don't even know if this is a core. Hello guys. Guys, Minecraft spawned in the wrong way. So we go over here. Enlarge for the screen. Alright. Go. Alright, so, I know some of you have no idea what Hypixel is and don't really know what it looks like, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So what you do is you press multiplayer, and you add servers, you leave this empty, and then you put the something over here, but you know, that's okay. Yeah, well, I don't know the last one. Just search it up and you'll find what it is. So, yeah, I got a couple worlds, but I'm gonna just go and put on Hypixel, because that's the best one, you know. Hypixel style. So sorry if it's gonna be random pauses, you know. It's just because, my sister comes in and does stuff sometimes, and I don't have the best YouTube recorder. I'm gonna... Oh. Wait, what is... Oh, yeah, okay, so, we're gonna go back this way. Also, sorry if the recording is horrible. It's just because, I haven't got a lot of good recordings. Alright, so, after you enter this place, alright, you're gonna spawn... What the flip, I just rubber banded somewhere. So you're gonna start over here, right, you're gonna be over here, and you're gonna like, don't press this, you have to jump down. Yeah, so what you need to do, you need to go up here, and there'll be skyblock, bed wars, murder mysteries. So you want to press on Sky Wars if you want to play with me, because I'm more playing Sky Wars, but skyblock than anything. So you go over here, and you'll spawn on a small island. Actually, do you know what? Let's create a new, world for playthrough. So yeah, so you have to cut down this tree. It's amazing, I know. So yeah, you just have to mine down this tree. I hope I can make this a montage in case. If I can't, I'll just skip this part out from now. Oh, well, sorry, I'm looking at other YouTube videos on other videos. Alright, so, what you wanna do, you wanna do this, you wanna make, yeah, yeet. And you don't need to make a crafting table. Why, you may be asking yourself? Well, you see this thing? It's not a catalyst, it's a skyblock menu. If you press the crafting table, wow, game in crafting table. And yes, it looks like this is a bit kind of weird just because of this. And now, you don't want to make yourself a wooden sword, and I'll show you that later. You see that guy over there? Hypixel recently... Oh, I didn't even pick up the apple. See that guy over there? His name is, wait. Wait. Can you... Yeah, how do you look forwards? No, never mind. I can't zoom in. Sorry, I was just being stupid. So, you know what you need to do is, mine this. So, yeah, montage from here if I can. Really? Alright. So, if we go over here, we'll go back onto the kill list to get ourselves the amazement pickaxe. So let me show you something. It's super amazing. I already showed you. Put this down, and then you take this, you put it here, and it's a wooden sword, right? But then you see that there's a guy over there, so you just need to make a quick bridge. Oh, that's a horrible bridge. That's not even a bridge, that's a pillar. Whoa! Okay, another thing, guys, I need to show you. You don't lose your stuff, except you lose coins. We currently don't have any coins, obviously, because we don't even have anything. So you can see that we got 100 health points, which is kind of unusual. And yeah, it is just a bit. You see this guy called Jerry, right? Now this is a quick hack. Jerry is, yeah. You can listen to him or you can skip him. You see this? You can get Move Jerry. You do this, he gives you 1 egg. Yeah. Oh, okay, so then you do this, and you like this. Crafting table. So you do this, and are ready? 3, 2. What aspect of the Jerry? Amazing aspect of the Jerry, guys. Can you? Are you? Alright, let's go. Alright. Alright, guys. So, yeah, so these little pillars look cool if you just do this. Do we have any more saplings? What, we literally got no more saplings? Well, you know, it doesn't actually matter. So, yeah, so what we can start off by doing is, you can see that there's a +1 for mining, and it goes 36, 37, 39, 40. So once you finish mining all of this beautiful cobblestone, we can make ourselves some you can go like this. 3, 2, 1. Wom, 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 wom. So you might be playing Terraria. Maybe. I'll be doing a playthrough about it. But I mean, I'm not too sure. And these flowers can actually be traded for money. So, what these boys? Boys! Boy! Yeah, so, there we go. So I'll make your island symmetrical island, because it's never nice to have a weird shaped island. What? You another 2 blocks. So you need to make it as symmetrical as possible. Now this is not a thing. It's just that. God. Oh yeah, also if you notice, I'm mining and the item durability is not going down. Also you have an extra haste, that's why everything's mining. Look, that's not usually fast. What? I mined 3 layers already. So guys, yeah, this is probably around the end of EP 1. So not just kidding. I'm not gonna be finishing the video here. That'd be horrible. So I know 30 Virus already did a video on this, so yeah, like and subscribe to 30 Virus. He's really cool. And Fizzy. Alright, so this is called a minion, right? So these things you already have an automatic one. If you not right click on him, you'll have this. So yeah, you see cobblestone minion recipe. You see you got Rud down there. So if you right click him, this is to go to the next type. You need 20 wait no, so 3 times 8 times 20, which is 80, and more cobblestone to make you into cobblestone 2, which means he can mine more. See how there's one empty slate over here, he can do 2 of these and will mine quicker. So yeah, let's go to through this portal. Alright, so as you can see, we have new zone discovered. We can go and buy things, can visit the auction house, and we have absolutely nothing. So the first thing is that you will actually receive a super good sword from one of these guys. You have to look for Jamie. So you can talk to all these villagers, but I mean it's kind of boring. The guy you really want to be looking for is Jamie. This is Felix. Not really anything. Oh yeah, there's an ender chest you can access. I'll show you this. I'll show you it. Vex. Alright, it's kind of a weird name. Glitch. It's Jamie. No, it's Andrew. Come on, are you Jamie? Where is... There he is. So, look. What? I thought he was meant to... Just, wait a second, I just need to go and check something out. Alright, so, I think you're meant to get a... Oh god, how do you get... Come on. Can I not click? Can I not get my reward? Oh, sorry, that's just annoying people. So, normally if you go to him,